Hello, I'm Jason from the Deepernauts, and welcome to AtomOS 2.0. In this video, we're going to look at... Once you've logged into your device, you can see the dashboard is completely different with a lot of very useful information. So let's start at the beginning at the world map at the very center of the screen. This window is very simple to understand. The routing method is the DPN mode. You can see I'm in Smart Route. Nodes are the amount of available devices online and sharing right now. Total on the network, we have over 180,000 devices, and sharing we have over 107,000. The 12 countries and 23 nodes will be different for every user. Currently, I'm connected to 12 different countries, and split up between those countries, I'm connected to 23 individual nodes. The map is very easy to understand. The orange icon is your current location. Green pulsing icons are the tunnels that you are connected to. If you have blue pulsing icons, those are tunnels that are connected to you. The animations are also very simple. A green animation is a tunnel established to a current location. A blue animation is an application going to that location. Sometimes you will see blue animations will hop from one destination to another. That only means that the application has a different end destination than the current tunnel. A very simple example is Netflix. My current location will connect to Netflix in France, but the Netflix servers will connect to the USA. The application destination is different, but the content will still be France. Underneath the world map is your relocation and ad blocking data. The relocation count is how many times you've accessed the DPN for various reasons. The relocation traffic is how much data you have passed through the DPN, and the data saved is how much data you have not used because you have been blocking advertisements. The DNS filter will show you how many ads you've been blocking, trackers you've been blocking, as well as malicious content, and the same can be shown for HTTPS filtering. Underneath this window is your real-time traffic statistics. You can see in real time upload and download data. At the top right, you have your current working mode, which you can see my device is in virtual wire mode. You might see something different whether you're in router mode or even wireless relay mode, but you can check your current working mode in this top window. Underneath that, you have your Wi-Fi settings, which you can adjust some of the Wi-Fi settings of your device, as well as device information, which will show you how much memory is being used, as well as your CPU. Just underneath that, you have your application relocation, which is a direct link to App Relocator. You can adjust some of the applications here, or click on this cog and it'll take you directly to the App Relocator. The bottom right tab is your Smart Route logs, which will show you all the destinations of everything that's being routed on your device. Ad blocker logs will show you which ads are being blocked. The last piece of information is your system information. It will show you your uptime, download volume, upload volume, your current software version, and your public IP address. Make sure your software version is always up to date so you can benefit from all of the features of AtomOS and the Deepernauts. This is the new and improved AtomOS 2.0 dashboard. Make sure you're subscribed to follow up on all of the new features of AtomOS 2.0 and the Deepernauts.
Deepernauts, of the users, by the users, for the users.